Playing.
You recording?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you ready? I can't. Oh God! Okay,
Okay.
you ready? Where's that train? Die. I'm gonna die. Oh God! That's my friend.
I don't, and you don't even know him. Go.
Yes, I do.
What's his name?
His name's Gerald.
Cheryl.
No, Gerald, not Gerald.
Sorry. Go.
Wait. That's my friend.
I don't, and you don't even know him. Go.
Yes, I do.
What's his name?
His name's Gerald.
Cheryl.
No, Gerald, not Gerald.
Sorry. Go.
Wait.
I'm gonna push you. No. Easy. Look at all the little children. Ba-da-ba-da-dum. Bum 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 bum. Da-da-da-da-dum.
All right, this is us going down the sleigh. The hat cam. Not really. You're not really. It's Caitlin Kim. The hat cam. Not really. You're not really. It's Caitlin Kim.
What's Caitlin Kim?
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Wait, there's a tree right there.
There's a tree. We'll crash then.
Be rolling.
Are you kidding me?
We can go. There's children down there like bowling pins. Let's just go. Go, push. Don't steer. Don't steer. Go! Oh no! Look out! Sorry. Oh, there goes one person. You ready? Here we go. Here we go.
No. Come on, you can do it. Let's get it.
Wait, here comes another one. Oh, you losers.
Yours, yes. No.
Did you have fun?
Yours, yes. No.
Did you have fun? Yes. Someone just fell while walking.
Oh,
there's that split girl who's like,
yeah. Oh, there goes Split Girl again.
is anybody gonna crash? Come on.
Oh, wait, go. Wipe out. No.
All right, here, children, getting ready.
Wait. Here we go.
I got one. Right on target. Oh, fail. What are you laughing at?
Where's the Split Girl? I don't want to do split.
Why are we filming random children going down?
Because we're bored. Wait.
I got him. Look at all these adults move out of the way.
They're such bad people.
These kids fail at life. Their parents should be proud. Oh! I got it! Her.
We were filming the tree.
She looks like she's been hiking for miles. This little pink girl.
Where?
Okay.
Banana.
Oh my God! Alright, those people right down there, I think it's time for us to do some damage. Let's go. What, Santa hates you? Christmas is over. Alright, it's gonna be good. Sorry, kids. Alright.
Peace up. A-Town. Yeah.